Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you some amazing button crafts ideas. We are exploring fun and creative button crafts ideas. Buttons come in many colors, shapes, perfect for art projects. You can glue them on canvas to make flowers, animals, or patterns. Each button attacks you in colors, easy, fun, and perfect for kids. Buttons are just for clothing. Use them to make unique jewelry. Glue small buttons on a necklaces, bracelet, or earring. Mix colors and size to make shirt style. Colorful and playful handmade jewelry is always special and creative. Buttons can decorate your home too. Glue buttons on photo frame, jar, or candle holder. It gives a colorful and playful look. A simple and affordable way to add handmade charm to any space. Buttons, colorful and fun, creative art, jewelry decoration and crafts, easy time. Creative fun magnet with buttons. Glue buttons on a small magnet base. Use them for your fridge or office board. Every button's magnet is unique and playful. Make greeting cards special with buttons. Glue buttons in shape like heart, flowers, or star. It's a texture and charm. A handmade card is always more thoughtful and creative. Use buttons to create large wall art. Glue them in patterns, letters, or abstract designs. Mix colors and size for a fun visual effects and unique crafts that make your home lively and cheerful. And viewers, creative beautiful flower with buttons. Glue small buttons together in a circle to make pastel. Add a button in the center for the flowers cover. Use them for card frame or home decoration. A simple craft that look colorful and cheerful. Make fun bookmark with buttons. Glue buttons on paper clip or thin cardboard. Decorate with patterns, shapes, or letter. Perfect for students or book lovers. Are cute and functional crafts ideas. Button keychains. Turn a button into unique keychains. Take colorful buttons, glue them, and attach a ring. Mix and match size for a playful look. Handmade keychains are fun and make a great gift. Buttons, fun and creative. Tie crafts, flowers, jewelry, bookmark, easy and colorful. Button picture frame. Decorate your photo frame with buttons. Glue buttons around the edges. Mix color and shape for a fun handmade look. It's turn a simple frame into a colorful art piece. Button coaster. Make coaster unique with buttons. Glue buttons tightly on rock or wood circle. Use them to decorate your table. Easy to make, colorful and practical. Button animal. Creative cute animals using button glue in shape of bird, cat, or dogs. Use a pen to add small details like eyes or tails. Fun crafts ideas for kids or decorations. Viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, viewers and friends. Thanks for watching my videos. So Allah Hafiz.